Installing the clear token hardware on a Kenmore commercial washer with a coin drop. Here's our clear token hardware, the Bluetooth device, and the wiring harness. The black and white wires go to the 110 alternating current that comes from the wall, and we're going to splice into those. It's this set of wires that goes this way, down that way, and out the back. And then the other set of wires, the blue and the yellow, will go spliced into what the coin slide connects to, which is these sets of wires right here. We're going to go ahead and splice. We're going to go ahead and splice into those. It doesn't matter which color goes where. And then we're just going to leave that resting in there because we're going to completely remove the coin slide. We don't want any coins used in this machine. You put everything back. The front panel, the service panel, and this clear piece of acrylic. You kickstart your clear token app, and that's it. Here's the finished product. After a few days of trial testing, we'll remove the coin slide on this dryer, and we'll remove the coin drop on this washer. It's all set, ready to go.